the mystery behind the two colors of Chinese cabbage, a microscopic adventure. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Check out this vegetable, Chinese cabbage. It's an everyday vegetable often found in capcay, soups, or stir-fries. But have you ever really paid attention to it? There's a puzzle he is hiding. The closest details of mustard greens are clearly visible under a microscope. The greens are porous and appear to have connective tissue between them. Why can the colors of the same leaf differ so dramatically? White at the base, green at the tip. What's really going on inside this vegetable? Is the white part somehow unhealthy? And have you ever noticed that inside it, there seem to be veins or hand-like networks connecting everything? Today, we're not going to cook. We're going to be detectives. We'll dive deep into the microscopic world of chicory, uncover the secrets behind its color, discover its secret highways, and find out which is more nutritious, the green or the white part. Let's begin our scientific adventure. To solve this mystery, we need to go down to the cellular level. When we examine the green part under a microscope, we'll find countless tiny green sacs. These are chloroplasts, the plant's food factories. Inside them is chlorophyll, the magical green pigment that captures the sun's energy for photosynthesis. Now, this green part of the leaf is fully exposed to light. Therefore, its cells fill with chloroplasts in preparation for the battle to absorb energy. Light is the lifeblood of this process. Now, when we move the slide to the white base, look, there are almost no chloroplasts. Why? Because this part grows in a sheltered position. It's squeezed between the other layers of leaves, out of reach of light. What's the point of making chlorophyll if there's no light to capture? Without enough light, plants can even struggle to store energy. So, this intelligent plant allocates its resources only to the areas that really need them. The white areas focus on water storage and support, while the green areas act as solar panels. But how do these non-photosynthesizing white parts get their nutrition? And how does water get from the roots to the top leaves? This is where we discover that veined connective tissue you see. This is the plant's vascular system, like a network of highways and logistics routes within the Chinese cabbage. This system consists of two main pathways, xylem and phloem. Xylem functions like a water pipe. It transports water and minerals from the roots up to all parts of the leaves, including the green shoots. This is what allows the dye in a school experiment to rise up the leaves. Water moves upward through processes such as osmosis and evaporation from leaves. Meanwhile, the phloem is the food distribution pathway, transporting sugars. Sugar is the result of photosynthesis from green leaves, which act as a kitchen to all parts of the plant that need it, including the roots and, yes, to the white base. So, even though the base is white and doesn't photosynthesize, it still gets its share of nutrients from the green part. It's a perfect partnership. Now, about those shiny, dark spots visible when the microscope light is dimmed. In the micro world, changes in light can reveal different details. Those shiny spots are most likely vacuoles. Vacuoles are large sacs within cells that contain fluid, nutrients, or even metabolic waste. They can reflect light differently. Dark spots could be dense clusters of chloroplasts, or perhaps starch granules. Starch granules are the cell's temporary energy storage. The world within a single cell is bustling and dynamic. So, now that you know the secrets of its structure, which is more nutritious, green or white? This is a thrilling battle. Let's look at the facts. Green leafy greens are the antioxidant champs, packed with chlorophyll and metabolic activity. The greens are the clear winners when it comes to vitamin and antioxidant concentration. It is very rich in vitamin A from beta-carotene for eyes and immunity, vitamin K for bones and blood, and vitamin C. It also contains more minerals such as calcium and iron. The white stem, the champion in hydration and fiber. The white stem excels in water content, providing a satisfying, crunchy texture. It's also rich in fiber, which is good for digestion. While it's lower in vitamins, it still contains valuable nutrients like potassium. The bottom line, consume both whole. That way, you'll get the complete package. So, the next time you hold a Chinese cabbage, you'll know there's a bustling microcosm and a fascinating survival story within. Eat it with appreciation. Do you have any other microscopic discoveries? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for our next science adventure video. See you!